Hello everyone, hello YouTube. Long time I didn't make some video about the tutorial video because I'm so busy and I have a lot of things to do, and now I'm back again with a new video. So today I'm gonna make some 3D art, like 3D scenes. Will be looks like this. It's a man who stand up, then in the front of him it's some fire here and some statue, and then some wall and some stairs, and behind it's some background. It's like hand touch each other, right? And so before continue the tutorial, please hit subscribe, and then we have it this file. So yeah, before that, we will delete all of these things here because I'll not use that things. I will use blend here. Just click S and then 9, S for scale, and just click 9 after that. Okay, so maybe you didn't know about what I touching, so I will click N here. Just add some shortcut so you can see what I click on this side, right? As usual. And so yeah, now we can continue. Just click this guy, this pen here, and then go to modifier and add some solidify. Just make it 5 like this. 5 is enough, and then just duplicate. Shift D, then just click R X 90, 9 and 0. Okay, and the object totally will be like this. Not total, just this one will be like this. And then we will make it this to the back like this. Yep. Wait. Yep, like this. Or maybe I will make it like it's really yep. R Z 90. So will be looks like this. And we duplicate again, just shift D again for this guy here, for this side, and then this side, right? So will be looks like this. And then after that, just shift, just S Z, scale down, and we can have these things like this, right? So now I will hide these things. Just click H and hiding, and shift A. We will add some cube for this guy here, and just make it to the close to the wall like this, right? Just S and then Y, make it a little bit bigger, and then just move it to the left, and after this S X, scale and X, and then move it to the right like this, right? So now we have some cube and plan here, and just click tab, choose this one, you can see, and then click just one in here and click bevel, this one, this object here. You see some object here like bevel, some word, and then just click custom, preset, steps, and just counting this, and it can be some stairs, easy to make. And yeah, voila, we have some stairs now. Okay, and then as we can see, is it some wall, and then this is wall, 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 and wall. Okay, like this. I will hide again, just hide. That's all, it's done. It's easy for making that one. And after that, because we will make some scene, and then have some stand up a man or something, whatever you can use, whatever. And after that, we will add some file like a man stand up. Wait, just wait few seconds, and so just scale down and make it small, not really small, just look at like, okay, is it good? I think yeah, is it good? Not really big. And so we just need like for this stair, it looks like big. And yeah, I think it's good. And after that, we will rotate this. Just click R and then Z. Add another cube here, just put in here, and then grab it into the right side, just make it like this in the up, make it like this little bit big, and then just click as Z. So as you can see, like this. So now I will do same as making some stairs, but the difference is we didn't use some presets. Just click tab, click on this side, on the right and the left side, and then we're still on this side, right, on the bevel, and then after that, just grab it up and just make it like this. For the segment, we will make it 100, so we'll have some window, like a window, right? Or on this side will be like some door, a door. And just we can make duplicate this, just shift D and grab it into the right side. So I think I will make like this, just make it small, right? Okay, and just duplicate again, shift D, right? It's like this, it's just like this. And now click this guy here, the first plane, and apply, because if you didn't apply some modifier for boolean, it will not working. So you have to apply first, and then you can use boolean, this modifier here, and then just touch this guy and then touch to this object, right? And you, as you can see, is it some hole on this, right? And just click apply, and we can add again like this, right? And add again for this side. That's all, it's easy, just apply and apply. And I will make it to to the side. Maybe we can use it again later, but by now I will not use this one. And just see now, right? Let's have some like this, like some scene. So just click in the front, just hit A for the camera, and use it. Just hiding these things first again, and then we will add another cube again for making stairs. Just grab it down, just see in the back camera, back angle, just click S and then X, just make it XY, little bit long. We see on the right side, and then just make it up. Yep, it's like this, and just click tab and grab it like this again, and then right, just see bevel, it's already here. Just custom preset and then step. So we just count this. You can do whatever you want here, but I will use 16 like big stairs on this one. With a different size, okay? Just going to the back side, make it this in the middle, so you can make sure, right? And just make it a little bit big, like scale. Just click S, Y, and grab it into the up. Yep, like this. Like this. Now just grab it down, down, and down. Custom and then steps, just counting this. Right, it's same as 16, right? Oh, it's still same, but I will make it a little bit down. Right now, just duplicate this and then put for the left side. Just grab it for the left side like this. As you can see, it still have some empty space on this, like this. So I will make it little bit wide. Just click as X, just grab it. Same as to this one. Oops, it's sorry, like this, and this one too, like this. Right now, we have some scene. We will use cycle, my favorite, because I'm recording some videos, so I will just use 200. You can use whatever you want, but 1000 it's enough for few part. But For render I will use, yeah, just 202 because it's just for video, for make it fast, right? And then after that, just see about the wall. The wall is up now, and then just duplicate this blur, shift D, and grab it into the up, and then like this, right? As you can see, we have some 3D scenes now, some scenes. And then after that, I will add another plan. Just shift A, grab it into the right, just RX 90, just scale, make it bigger like this. Okay, just make it bigger again. Now you have some texture coordinate mapping image texture text. Shout out to mailing, and then thank you for these pictures. Is it kind of good? It's really good anyway. So yeah, it looks like this, and then I will just scale, make it big like this. So the hand, it looks like touch each other, will be touch each other. For the background, I will make it black here, so will be like this. And then I will add some light, shift A, and then choose spot, grab it into the right, just make it up, rotate, and do it like this. Right, it looks like this, but I will make it like orange picture, like this. Okay, I think is it enough for now. Beautiful statue here, it's really beautiful, right? You can have this statue, just click link on description. I'll put some link how to get this statue on this video on description, so you can have it for free, and then it's totally free. And okay, now just grab it, this statue going here. So back to the camera, right? And then I will hiding this one. Just grab it into for the left side and make it up like this, and just scale down, not really big. Okay, I will make bigger for the back side, I mean long. Just click E like this. Yep, like this. And then after that, just grab it and then put it in the middle, and then we add this one here too, same as this one, but we will rotate into the like this one. This guy is looks like to the right side, but this one looks to the left side. So just click R and then X 98 180 I mean. And for the light and then for the left, for the right side, it's done. So we can add for the middle, and like this, just back to the camera, and we'll make little bit bigger like this. Yep, like this. So we'll make some little bit like little bit to the front. Yep, and then we can see about the light now. Where is the light? Oh, this one here. So now we can add some fire. Just click here for this wall. We'll make it like this first. Just click wall. Okay, maybe few people who watch this video didn't know about this thing. This thing it's called blender kit. This is useful. You can use it for wall, for color, for everything. So yeah, on this side I will just use some free like free stuff. Visit a lot of bunch of stuff here, and then you can click here like maybe something like book. Just wait a few seconds, but make sure your computer is connect to your Wi-Fi or some connection, so you can use it. Because if you want to use this thing, it's like downloading, like download. So yeah, it's totally free, but for this one, is it some like premium thing you have to pay if you want to use this one. And if you want to use this one, it's totally free, without just using some connection from the internet. So now just yeah, delete this one and back to this one. So I will use this one, stone wall. Just click here, stone wall, and now we can see into the viewport to the real time. Okay, it looks like this, right? And then after that, just see here, I think I will make it 5,000. So yeah, will be like this. This is what you can see. And then I will add some another wall. Just click and then just click. It's easy to use it, right? So you can see it. It's easy to use. Wait, I think I will make it this, have some light. I think 400, it's too much. I mean just 2000 it's enough, but I think I will just use 1000. 1000 it's better, but I will use the light. It's like make it up a little bit like this, and then just using the orange color.